a horizon, and this process is known as leaching, and it is also known as elevation. ये आपका elevation का है. So after that, then after that comes your B horizon. B horizon means it is also the subsoil, and it is called the subsoil layer, and it is containing iron, aluminum oxide and calcium carbonate. ये आपका इस लेयर में होता है और इसमें मिनरल्स पाया जाता है, and you can see that it is reddish in color. वो reddish in color. Then C horizon is just beneath the B horizon, and it consists of broken bedrock. Then after that it consists of unwithered rock, which is also called as bed. इसको bedrock. So children, is it clear till here? यहाँ तक आप लोगों को clear हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
उसको एक रीडिंग लीजिए, तो आप लोग कोई बच्चा एक स्टार्ट करो, रीड इट.
Ma'am, can I start Shaila Tiwari?
Ma'am, can I start?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Chapter 10, Soil. Soil is important to us. It is one of the most important natural resource on earth. Most of the life forms on earth depends on soil, as it is a direct or indirect source of food for them. Plants obtain their nutrients from the soil, and animals are depends on them. Soil is the home of many different forms of life. Soil is also known as earth. It is the substance from which our planet takes its name. Soil has been formed by weathering, erosion, and decay of living plants and animal matter. However, valuable topsoil is formed so slowly that it shouldn't be protected and valued because it cannot get replaced in the average lifespan of human beings. Soil can be defined as the natural occurring loose covering or broken rock particles and decaying or organic matter, humus, on the surface of the earth. It is capable of supporting life. Do you know it takes 500 years to produce just less than an inch of topsoil, which is most productive layer of soil. Soil formation. Soil formation is the combined effect of physical, chemical, and biological processes on its parent materials, the rocks. This process is termed as weathering. There are two different types of weathering: physical weathering and chemical weathering. There are several causes or agents of physical weathering. The main ones are listed below. First, temperature. The expansion and construction of minerals in the rocks due to variation in temperature from weaker zone. This gradually breaks them apart. Two, water. Torrential rains and flowing water dislocated the soluble and solid rock and exposed the inner portion of the agents of weathering. These particles are carried down and deposited elsewhere as alluvium. Similarly, the sea waves were off the rock on the shore. The glaciers in the high mountains exert an erosive and transporting influence on the rock and these fragments. Wind. Wind expects abrupt action because action detaches the particles from the rocks and act as a carrying agent. Sand and stone in the deserts and high winds on the seashore have both erosive and transporting action. Fourth, plant and animals. Leeches and mosses growing on bare rocks can cause their gradual disintegration. Grasses, substances, and trees growing in crevices of rock helps to extend the cracks through the growth of their roots. Let us now talk about chemical weathering. This type of weathering takes due to the following factors. First, organic acid released during the decomposition of organic matters. Second, the solvent action of water that dissolves the soluble salt and forms solution. Further, further hastens the process of weathering. Do you know
Okay,
what
wait a minute. Wait.
Yes.
Now here children, what I want to tell you that for your homework, you will go through this topic and find out the meaning of several words, which I find that it is difficult for you. If you will work hard, would take a dictionary and try to find out, then tomorrow we will discuss those words again in the class. So this is your homework for today, and their spellings also should be memorized by you all, and find out the like torrential rain is there, then crevices are there, fragments are there. I find it that it is new for you all at this level. Clear? So
Yes,
thank you. Or you can continue reading till the time limit.
Ma'am,
Do
can
you
I?
know one of the more pleasant rain smells? The one we often notice in the woods is actual caused by bacteria. And Nomiki, the type of film, ma'am, ये क्या है? Ma'am, after
Fermentous
bacteria,
bacteria.
these bacteria grow in soil when conditions are damp and warm. When the soil dries out, the bacteria produces spores in the soil. The wetness and force or the force or rainfall kick these tiny spores up into the air, where the moisture after a rain act as an